Guys, behind me you can see the shuttle service that is available to all the stakeholders, the university fraternity uh, and the GCTF Green Campus Task Force with Vice Chancellor of Jammu University has taken an initiative to restrict all the four-wheelers in the campus from today, and you can see there is no vehicle over here is flying over there. Only two-wheelers are available, and for the time being you can have a look at that. There is no car, you can see no car. One checkpoint is there. From there the entrance of vehicle is completely prohibited. And हेलो सर, क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक हो? बढ़िया बढ़िया, बताएं। और सब बढ़िया। हम थोड़ा बता रहे हैं ब्लॉग। हाँ, सो यू कैन सी ऐसे टाइम इज़ अराउंड 9:30 to 9:45 एंड इस टाइम देखो इतनी ज़्यादा व्हीकल्स होती थी, पर आज देखो कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं है, सिर्फ टू व्हीलर्स ही दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ऑल द प्रोफेसर्स एंड द स्टूडेंट्स स्कॉलर्स they are directed not to bring the vehicle four wheelers over here, and the vehicles will be put on the designated slots. And what else I can say, the shuttle services e-vehicles are flying over here for the ease access of this to and fro. So the vehicles will be parked at the designated place. The parking that has been made nearby that MAM college, in front of that MAM college. So it's a good decision. I think our university is the best, and maybe it's amongst the first universities to take this decision and toward the healthy environment. And yeah, this is it. And meanwhile I will be showing you how the things will go on, but for now you can see there is no vehicle at this time. This campus was totally flooded, have been flooded with this a lot of these vehicles and all those stuff. And